This is one of the easiest ways to make money online that literally involves not that many hours of your precious time. And just before I reveal to you that website, let me remind you that if you want to see the best way to make money online and how we make money online, then click on the first link in the description down below and I will send you information to your email address that will be available for only the first 100 people to use that link. So in case you are late and it's not available anymore, and in case that you miss out, don't worry, you still use today's strategy from this tutorial, but then if available, then I highly recommend you to go and check out the link as soon as possible so you can see how we make money online, and then check out that link and we'll send you all the information. So with that said, in today's strategy I have something different. This is a unique strategy for you that you can end up making a lot of money from anywhere in the world. So if you like this type of videos, please give us a massive like so I can keep creating similar content that you could benefit from. So without any more delay, let me take you to the computer and get started with today's strategy. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you a few different ways where you can make money in TikTok, okay? So first of all, I want you to go to this website, which is called TikTokupgrade.com, okay? So here it's gonna allow you to buy TikTok followers, and if you keep watching until the end of the video, I'm gonna show you exactly what you can do with this platform, okay? So you can come here, you can see that this platform is obviously supported by big businesses like VentureBeat, the small business, and so on. As soon as you keep going down, it's gonna show you more features and how easy it is for you to actually engage with your audience and get real followers, okay? So this is not a scam, this is a website that will allow you to get TikTok followers on autopilot, okay? It has got good customer support. Additionally, you can see that you can get like real engagement as well. If you check the reviews, you're gonna see all the reviews here and how it has helped other businesses. Here are the frequently asked questions in case you got any other questions regarding the software, and then the pricing. But don't worry, you're not gonna have to pay anything for this just yet. So they offer you, like, you can either pay $15 a week or premium is $25 a week, which still is pretty good. And then monthly prices is $50, the standard package, and the premium package is $99, which is actually not so bad overall, okay? The most important thing is, like, this website is gonna allow you to grow your TikTok, okay? And you know that TikTok is a platform that so many brands use it and companies, and actually it can get you a lot of traffic, okay? And it's very popular right now. So the next website which I will allow you to go to is Peoplepowerhour.com, okay? So once that you are on this website, you're gonna be combining it with TikTok upgrades. So I'm gonna show you how. So what I will allow you to do is I want you to go into what is called Freelancer, and then you will go into register. You have to register and sign up as a freelancer. I'm not gonna do it now because I'm not gonna waste your time, but once that you do it and you have registered your account, they will send you an email confirmation to your email address, which you have to click and confirm that is your email address. And once that you've done that, then it's gonna allow you to create your profile. So on your profile, you're gonna put yourself that you are a TikTok expert, okay? And then you're gonna be looking for different gigs where people are actually looking for people that are helping them with their TikTok, okay? So for example, if we go into search, let's see what we can search for freelancers. You know, some people might be doing it as well, so you can get some reference of what they do. So let me click on TikTok, and then you're gonna see different people coming up, and you see there is not so many people. So it's a great opportunity for you to brand yourself as a TikTok expert. And then once that you have created your ad, what you will do is you will say to businesses that you want to help them to grow the Instagram account, okay? Once that you do that, and once they pay you, which you're gonna be charging at least $300 for this, then you will go into TikTok upgrade, and then you will be signing up for the membership that I will advise you to just go on the monthly basis if you want, and then go the premium package if if that's, you know, that you could benefit more from that. But otherwise, you know, you could go for the standard packages if you're gonna try out $49 or the wiki one. The most important thing is you're gonna use this software in order to deliver your services over here. So when people contact you about TikTok, then you're gonna be doing, yes, of course, I can grow your TikTok account for you, and then it's gonna be very easy for you to do it because the software will do everything for you. Okay, so another website which I want to show you is called Fiverr. So once that you go into Fiverr, you can search as well what are the TikTok profiles here to see, to help you with the descriptions and so on. So you can see this is a different gigs that appear. So what you can do, you can go to the best selling and then sort by best selling, and then you can see if you can take some of the descriptions and then adjust it and edit it on your own language, so it's your own, and then that's what you can use in all these different platforms. So you need to register with all the platforms as a TikTok expert. Okay, you're gonna be very niche, so you're just gonna be focusing on TikTok. A lot of people focus on social media, but social media is very general. But if you say, oh look, this is what I can do on TikTok, then it's much more narrow, and you're gonna have a big audience because a lot of businesses want to get into TikTok. Okay, so you create your profile here, you create your gig. Okay, and once that you get your gig, what you will do is you will start to get, you know, people approaching you, and then you're gonna build up your stars and you're gonna build your reviews, and then you can get you can actually build a great business here by just using this software right here. Okay, so another website I want to show you is Upwork. So in Upwork you can go and look for all the different talent, and then you can see that you know, you can search as well for TikTok experts and so on, and then here you can actually charge higher prices because Fiverr is cheaper. You can see the gigs are $7, some of them $30, but in Upwork you're gonna be able to charge more. Okay, so as well, come to Upwork, register your account as a TikTok expert growth specialist, and then start getting clients and start getting money using this software. Another website I'm gonna show you is guru.com. It's same dynamic. You can sign up and as well, you know, put your profile. You guys gonna need to do this in every platform, so this might take you one evening of your week, but once it's done, then you can forget about it, because the only thing you will need to do is just check on the daily basis if there are any jobs available for you. Okay, so another way to do it, you can go to freelancer.com. It's another website I will advise you for you to create your ad and put it there, so you can be exposed to thousands of people looking at your profile. And the last website I'm gonna show you for you promoting your services, it will be SOClex. Again, it's a website that is not as well known as Fiverr and Upwork, and then you're gonna have a great opportunity over here, you know. So the strategy is, once that you have signed up with all the different websites, you will go into your TikTok upgrade, and then you'll be using your account to help your clients, and then the software is gonna do everything for you. An alternative way that you can actually do it, because some of these clients might want to see some proof that you've done this, you can go into TikTok, you know, itself, and then what you could do is you could actually create different accounts where you grow the followers, and then once that you have created, let's say 3 to 5 accounts that you have been able to grow to 1,000 of followers, first of all, that's your portfolio. You can build your portfolio and you can integrate it, as I say, in all different websites: SOClex, Freelancer, Guru, Upwork, Fiverr, and Peoplepowerhour. Okay, that's one way of doing it. And another way of doing it is you could go into a different website, which I'm gonna show you now, which is called Fameswap.com. This website is actually great because it's gonna allow you to be able to post your Instagram or TikTok's accounts, so you can sell them. If you have accounts that you have been able to get thousands of followers, you come here and you sell them, and you can sell them anywhere from $1,000, $100, $300, $500. It all depend on the amount of followers that you have. Okay, so once that you have your account, let's think that if you're selling your accounts for $100 and you go, like, let's say 100 people doing signing up with you, you're already making $10,000. You know, that's on the spot. If you go like 10 people doing it, you're already making $1,000. You know, so this is very good as a income. The most important thing is that you grow your Instagram account, and I'm showing you how. You know, this is the software. You can come here, check it out, talk upgrade. Okay, and then the strategy, you go to all these different websites, then sign up, register your details, and then place your gigs over there, and I'm guarantee you that people will start contacting you if you are consistent as well. A spot for new opportunities. See if someone advertise that they're looking for a TikTok growth specialist, and this can be you. Okay, but once that you have created your TikTok accounts, it can take you this, to grow your TikTok accounts, it can take you maybe a couple of months. It will all depend. But once that you have the accounts, then you will be able to grow enough followers to add them into your Fameswap account. Once that you come to Fameswap account, then you're gonna be able to sell those pretty easily, because the more accounts you have and the more followers, the better. There's people selling it for all time. For example, this person selling her account for 450,000 followers for $3,000. 853,000 followers, $6,000. But I can guarantee you, if you haven't got that amount of followers, just 1,000 or a couple of thousand, then you will still be able to sell it, because people don't want to go through the whole process of growing their account. You are already doing all this for them. Okay, so this is all for today's strategy, guys. I hope that you like it. If you did like it, please give me a massive like, because that will really help me to keep improving the channel and bring you the latest strategies on digital marketing. Okay, so with that said, I hope that you take massive action. I hope that you implement today's strategy. I hope you are very successful. And once you do, just leave it on the comments. Okay, so I hope that you have a great day and a great week. And I will be coming very soon with more strategies for you to make money, because you deserve to make money, because you deserve to be successful, and you deserve to have the financial freedom that you deserve. Okay, so I hope that you have a great day, great week, and I'll see you very soon. Take care, guys.